It's 2026, and if you're still leaving money on the table, this is your sign. We need to talk. Because for years, you've probably heard one thing over and over: work hard, get a good job, and save what you can. That's the path, right? Well, what if I told you that path has a hidden toll booth, and you've been paying way more than you need to? Here's the truth, and it's a game changer once you really understand it. Your paycheck hits your bank account, but a big chunk is already gone. But for business owners, it's the complete opposite. We're taxed after we take our deductions. It's a fundamental difference in how your money is treated. Maybe you're watching this and thinking, I don't need a huge side income. And that's totally fine. Maybe you're not here just to make more money. Maybe you're looking for those elusive tax breaks you hear everyone talking about. Or maybe you just want a sense of ownership, something that's truly yours. Owning a small business, even a very small one, opens up a world of possibilities that employees simply don't have access to. We're talking about writing off things you're already paying for. Things like your travel, your phone bill, your internet, the education you invest in to grow, the mileage you drive every day. These are real, tangible write-offs that put money back in your pocket. Now, let's get something straight right now because there's a lot of noise out there. No, you're not taxed at a flat 60% rate if you earn $100,000 a year. That's a myth. But I'll tell you what, making a higher income as an employee with zero deductions to offset it can certainly feel like you're losing that much. It's about having the right strategy. It's about understanding the rules of the game and using them to your advantage. Same income, totally different outcome. Let us break this down into 4 practical tax tips that can help business owners keep more of their hard-earned money. They're legitimate strategies built into the tax code, designed to encourage business activity. First up, travel. How many of you love to travel but feel like you can never afford it? As a business owner, your travel can become deductible. Your flights, your hotel, your meals, they transform from personal expenses into business investments. Imagine taking that trip you've been dreaming of, but now it's helping you reduce your tax bill. Second, let's talk about your home. You're already paying for your rent or mortgage, your electricity, your water. When you operate a business from home, you can claim a home office deduction. This allows you to write off a percentage of your housing expenses based on the square footage of your dedicated workspace. This isn't just for people with a separate room. Even a designated corner of your living room can qualify. Think about it. You're getting a tax break for a space you're already paying for. Third on our list, your essential tools. Your phone, your internet, the software you use, and any education you pursue to improve your skills. As an employee, these are usually just personal costs. As a business owner, they become legitimate business expenses. That new course you wanted to take? Business expense. That software subscription that makes you more efficient? Business expense. Your monthly cell phone bill? These things add up fast and can save you thousands over the course of a year. And number 4, something that seems small but has a huge impact. Mileage and meals. Every time you drive to meet a client, pick up supplies, or attend a business-related event, you should be tracking your mileage. The standard mileage rate is designed to cover the cost of gas and wear and tear on your vehicle. The same goes for meals. A coffee meeting with a potential partner or a lunch with your team can be a deductible expense. It's about shifting your mindset from just grabbing lunch to a strategic business meeting. When you add all of this up, travel, home office, utilities, phone, internet, education, mileage, meals, you start to see the bigger picture. It's not about earning $1 million overnight. It's about legally and ethically keeping more of the money you already make. You're stopping the leaks in your financial bucket. You're playing the same game as everyone else, but you're using a different, smarter rulebook. That is the power of business ownership. So how do you get started? This is where people usually get stuck. They hear all this and think, great, but I don't know how to build a website. I don't know anything about licensing or setting up systems. This is a turnkey business. What does that mean? It means the heavy lifting has already been done for you. Your professional website is done. All the necessary licensing is covered. The systems, the software, the training, it's all included from day one. You don't have to reinvent the wheel or spend months trying to figure things out on your own. And the investment to get started? It's probably less than you think. We're talking about roughly 67 cents a day. You get free, ongoing training from people who are actively succeeding. You get free systems that are proven to work. You become part of a real community of supportive, driven individuals who become more than just colleagues. They become lasting friends. Most importantly, you get access to a proven million-dollar framework developed by the top leaders in our industry. This is a step-by-step roadmap that has created incredible success for people from all walks of life. More time, more freedom, and more control over their financial future. So I have to ask you, why would you continue to leave money on the table all year long, every single year, when you could own the table? The year's just getting started. You've got all of 2026 to win. The question is, are you ready to jump in and start playing a different game? If this resonates with you, if you're tired of seeing your hard-earned money disappear before you can even use it, I want you to take the next step. Comment the word business below, and I will personally send you all the details. Let's make 2026 the year you finally stop leaving money on the table. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to connect with you.